Hello class, I am your substitute teacher because Mr. Mayberry couldn't make it to the art room today. My name is Miss Bobo, that's spelled B-O-B-O, don't forget. So today the sub-plans say we're supposed to draw a parrot, but you know, I've made enough pirate stuff for the last 2 days, so let's make a fortune teller.
It's our time with
Miss Bobo.
Hey, let's get creative.
Remember class, a substitute teacher always comes prepared. Today, you'll need a square piece of paper and your hands. Let's get started. So here's my piece of paper and it's shaped in a square, so let's get started. First thing we're gonna wanna do is fold the paper in half and try and line up the ends as best as you can. Crease the fold really well so it'll stay deep. And then open it back up and then fold it going the other way. And make the ends meet and push the crease down. Make sure it stays. Open it back up. So now you'll take one corner and fold it into the middle to make a little triangle that fits right inside of the square that's been folded. And then you're going to do the same for each one of these little squares. Just take it and pull it to the middle and make it line up with the other ones. So now that we have all our little triangles folded to the middle, we're going to flip the paper. Now we're going to fold it in half, like we did at the beginning, but with these folded in half. And then fold it again. Going the other way. So now we have it flipped to the back. Now we can fold these back like we did on the other side into the little triangles to make up with the square into the middle. Crease the folds so that it stays. Now that we have that, we're going to flip it back to the side we started at and fold that in half. And then we're going to fold it in half going the other way. And then try to push the corners together and pull out the little piece of paper flaps to insert your fingers into them. Kind of like this. And then you can pull it apart and then push it forward like the way the fortune teller to operate. Back and forth, and sometimes people will put colors on the outside or numbers. On the inside they can write colors or numbers to tell you what to move. And then inside these flaps they may write a nice little thing like have a nice day or something inside of them. So that's our project for today, fortune teller. So, how'd you do? If you like origami, then check out Origami Time with Mr. Mayberry. MISSBOBO. You like cheese? Yes, I do.